Okay, everyone, let's take a seat. We're about to get started, and we haven't much time. Someone get the lights, please. Thank you. Let's begin. As you know, our San Diego site has been compromised. We feel, however, that we have a simple, solid plan to take back the site and reestablish order. We're calling it Operation Kitchen Management. Step 1. Create checklists. In order to properly assess the situation, we first created a list of all the supplies that we needed, along with all the cleaning tasks that needed done. We then organized those items into separate checklists that team members can use every day. The opening checklist should include emptying dishwashers, stocking supplies, and wiping down all of the counters. Be mindful when emptying the dishwasher and check for coffee and lipstick stains on the cups. The closing checklist should include loading the dishwashers, making a list of supplies needed for the following morning, and wiping down all of the counters. Dishwashers should not be run during regular business hours and should not be run if less than 25% full. Making a shopping list of supplies each night will ensure you have all the supplies necessary to stock your kitchens in the morning. The weekly checklist should include cleaning the ice dispenser nozzles, kitchen trays, soap and sponge trays, and refilling the first aid kits. First aid kits should be checked weekly. Some of its contents, like medicines, do have expiration dates, so it is extremely important to ensure that these items are removed and replaced before they expire.
That looks familiar.
Any items stored on the countertops should be stacked neatly and evenly. The monthly checklist should include things like deep cleaning the dishwashers, wiping the inside of the cabinets, and switching out perishable items like creamers and coffee packets. Placing a cup of white vinegar in a dishwasher safe container on the upper rack of the machine and running it on a hot water cycle will wash away grease and grime. Use a wet towel to clean the inside of the cabinets. Do not use glass cleaner or anything that may cause an annoying smell.
Yuck!
Gross. For easy reference, keep a copy of each checklist inside one of the cabinets in every kitchen. Step 2. Initiate PAR levels.
What's a PAR level?
An inventory PAR level is a minimum quantity of a given item that a business must keep on hand. The purpose of a PAR level is to prevent shortages while avoiding holding excess goods. PAR levels are determined by what is used on a daily basis. It is important to set PAR levels at the right amount in order to eliminate shortages, not to mention saving yourself time by not making as many trips. PAR levels also remove the subjectivity when stocking supplies. Step 3. Labeling. The outside of your cabinets should be clearly labeled, and if you have multiple kitchens, the labeling should be uniform. The inside of your cabinets should also be labeled to match the outside. These labels should also include the PAR level of each item. If the label begins to peel, replace them immediately. Step 4. Sweeps. Here is a sample of a sweep schedule. A sweep is a scheduled check of all of your kitchens. The sweep should be performed throughout the day to maintain supply levels and cleanliness. Sweeps should be done on time and in a timely manner. Let's review. Create a list of all the supplies along with all of the cleaning tasks that need done. Organize those items into separate checklists that the team members can use every day. You should have separate opening, closing, weekly, and monthly checklists. Store a copy of each checklist in every kitchen. An inventory par level is a minimum quantity of a given item that a business must keep on hand. It is important to set par levels at the right amount in order to eliminate shortages. Par levels also remove the subjectivity when stocking supplies. Label the outside of all cabinets in every kitchen. Label the inside of the cabinets to match the outside. Include the par level of each item when labeling the inside of the cabinets. If the label begins to peel, replace it immediately. A sweep is a scheduled check of all of your kitchens. Sweeps should be performed throughout the day to maintain supply levels and cleanliness. Sweeps should be done on time and in a timely manner. Any questions so far?
Me. What about Bob?
We don't have much time to discuss movies right now. Please stay on point. Anyway.
No, I mean, is he still alive?
Oh. It is highly unlikely that Special Undercover Agent Johnny Milano, aka Bob the Trainee, is still alive. Nevertheless, should you encounter him, approach with extreme caution. Okay, let's go out there and take this site back.
Yay!
I want to apologize to my mom, to Johnny's mom, and that annoying guy in the meeting's mom. I'm so sorry for everything that has happened. It is my fault because it was my project. And it was my turn to order supplies. I insisted on everything. Now we're out of paper plates. We're out of soda. I have no idea where the paper towels are. I'm hungry, cold, and there's no coffee. I'm scared to close my eyes. I'm scared to open them. What am I going to do? You?
Come with me if you want to live.